What if I told you there's an RV so poorly designed, so frustrating to own, that it's been called the worst motorhome in the world? Not just by critics, but by the very people who bought it with their hard-earned money. Today, we are diving into the one motorhome that made countless Americans swear off RV life forever. Now, in the US, RV culture is sacred. Hitting the open road, seeing national parks, camping under the stars, that's the American dream on wheels. But when you take that dream and squeeze it into a lemon of a motorhome, it quickly becomes a nightmare. Enter the Fleetwood Bounder diesel of the late 1990s. On paper, it looked great, affordable, spacious, and sold as the perfect family RV. In reality, it turned into one of the most hated motorhomes ever built. Why? Let's start with the engine. Underpowered and constantly overheating on mountain roads, owners reported spending more time on the shoulder waiting for a tow truck than actually camping. Then there's the plumbing system. Leaks galore, sometimes flooding the interior after just a few months. And the electrical wiring? A disaster. Lights flickered, batteries drained overnight, and appliances died at random. Forums and Facebook groups are littered with horror stories. Families stuck on road trips. Senior couples stranded hundreds of miles from home. One owner joked, "Owning a Bounder taught me more about mechanics than my entire career in construction." Another said, "We spent more time in repair shops than at campsites." So, while it promised freedom, the Fleetwood Bounder diesel delivered frustration. It became the poster child for what not to buy. And even today, decades later, RV veterans still warn newcomers, whatever you do, don't get a Bounder. If you're shopping for a motorhome, remember, sometimes the cheapest option will cost you the most.
So what do you think? Is the Bounder the worst RV ever, or do you know one that's even worse? Let me know in the comments.